This is an example from page 7 on the PDF file, and there's not any work that is there, so you will want to pay attention. The given information, okay, so first of all, this example is going to go with homework questions 11 through 13. So there was a slight error in the previous videos because I said that it would help you through question 12, but this is specifically for 11 through 13. And this is a way in which we can use properties of logarithms to help us find values that we know. So what we're given here is log base A of 2 is equal to 0.301, and log base A of 3 is approximately 0.477. So what we want to do is find these three values: log base A of 6, log base A of 81, and log base A of 5, knowing those values. So what we need to be able to do here is, for instance, with this logarithm, we want to be able to write 6 as a combination of those values, as either a product, a quotient, or a power, so we can use our exponential properties. Well, 6 can be written as a product of these two, so that's 2 times 3. So then, if we can write them together as a product, we can use the product property to split them up into log base A of 2 plus log base A of 3, and then we can calculate log base A of 6. Because we know log base A of 2 is 0.301, and we know log base A of 3 is 0.7477. So when we add those up, we get 0.778. So log base A of 6 is approximately 0.778. And the next thing we look at is we want to find 81. So we want to think of ways that we can use a combination of 2 and 3, or 2 and 3 individually as a product, quotient, or power in order to use our properties to find this. So 81, we're going to have to just use 3, because 81 can be written as 3 to the 4th power. Three to the 4th power. So then we can use our power property to bring this down to the front. So we have 4 times log base A of 3. And we know that that is 4 times 0.477. So log base A of 81 is approximately, I don't have my calculator on hand, so let me just calculate that real quick. And if I did that correct, you can check me if I'm wrong, but it should be approximately 1.908. So the property stuff should make sense now that we have gone through that, but basically what's new here is we need to take what's inside of the logarithm and rewrite it in the terms that we've been given, so we can solve for that value we need. Now this last one, 5, cannot be written as a quotient, product, or power of those 3. In fact, it can only be written as a sum of them. However, this is a great example to point out that there's nothing we can do here, because addition on the inside does not break up into anything. It's only multiplication that breaks up into addition. Addition on the inside has to stay. There is no product, there's no property that will break that up using addition. So log base A of 5 cannot be determined. So you might see that answer choice sometimes in your homework because there's no combination of the given values that will work with the properties that we have. And again, that's going to help you with question numbers 11 through 13.